Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As Jamaica moves forward or closer to restarting passenger train service, a major Chinese company is going to play a large part in it. Now, Jamaica has the railway tracks already. They are there, they just need upgrading, but Jamaica had one of the first nationwide or island-wide railway systems in the Western Hemisphere. Those tracks are still there because the land that the tracks are on is owned by the Jamaica Railway Corporation. So the tracks are there. But what Jamaica is going to need is a modern railway cars. Now, the railway cars that they have operating now for passengers are from the 1940s. There's no way they could work. Recently, the government had started a pilot program for students to use the trains from Old Harbour to Kingston. And they were using these 1940s or 1900s railway cars. That cannot work for a nationwide train service, especially when they plan to connect them to the tourist areas. Like one of the first routes to start is going to be from Montego Bay to the Appleton Estate, and they're going to take tourists there for the tour. So we are going to talk about the largest railway equipment manufacturer in the world coming to Jamaica to supply the railway equipment, the new cars, the new infrastructure, because ironically, a lot of these railway stations are historic sites, but they need to be demolished and modern structures put up. So this company, CRRC Corporation Limited, is the world's largest manufacturer of railway equipment and one of the most influential rail technology companies globally. Formed in 2015 through the merger of two major Chinese railway companies, CRRC designs and manufactures high-speed trains, metro cars, commuter trains, freight locomotives, light rail vehicles, and railway systems used in dozens of countries. The company has supplied trains and rail equipment across Asia, Africa, Europe, the Middle East, North America, and Latin America. Its products range from urban metro systems and airport people movers to high-speed trains capable of operating at speeds exceeding 305 kilometers per hour. Jamaica has long discussed restoring and expanding its railway network to support economic growth, reduce traffic congestion, and improve transportation between major population centers. If such a project moves forward, CRRC could become an important partner. CRRC could provide modern diesel electric or electric passenger trains for routes connecting Kingston, Spanish Town, Portmore, Maypen, Mandeville, Ocho Rios, and Montego Bay. These trains would be faster, safer, and more comfortable than equipment previously used on Jamaica's railway network. Building a Kingston Metropolitan Rail System. As traffic congestion continues to increase in Kingston and St. Catherine, Jamaica may eventually require a commuter rail system. CRRC manufactures metro and suburban rail vehicles used in many major cities and could supply trains for routes linking Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town, and other growing communities. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So this is the CRRC is the world's largest manufacturer of railway equipment, and that's what Jamaica needs. So we will keep you guys updated on this company and its involvement in Jamaica. And Jamaica or Kingston is looking to set up a light rail service, and this company would also supply the equipment for that service. All right, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.